How to fix your XB8 login or your admin not working. So first of all, you can go ahead and make sure you have the actual username and password for your Xfinity. And if you don't, you could always go ahead and try doing the username as admin and then the password as password. No capitals, no space or anything. Just admin and then password for the password, and then go ahead and try logging in. If that doesn't work, that usually means someone has already logged in or something to the gateway itself. So another thing you can do is to factory reset the router itself in order to get your login back. So to reset the router, just go ahead at the back of the router. There should be a WPS button over here, which is this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and press this button or hold this button for around 30 seconds, and then you should be able to see an indicator over here on the indicator light, a green blinking light, and that will pretty much mean the process of your factory reset is starting. And once it's done, you can go ahead and try relogging back into the admin itself. But that's technically one way you can do to just avoid this little error or problem actually. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.